Then I was just looking around here at Spectrum and I noticed some changes, so I decided to do this video. I'm going to go to the Spectrum app. They're always making changes and they'll notify you. I've done some videos on Spectrum dealing with favorites, creating a video library, managing your startup channel and so forth. And you can do the same thing with Roku's live TV guide. So I have it set, my startup channel set right now to the game show channel. And this is what they changed. Used to be, if you wanted to go to your lineup here, channel lineup, you go to the left here. Now you have to go to the right, and it gives you this mini guide. And notice at top is hold OK for filters. So I hold the OK button, and now you have your filters. On top, of course, you can change from channel number to network, and then you have your filters, all channels, recent channels that you visited. And if you don't have a favorites, this might not appear here. I do have created a favorite. So the first thing I do when I watch Spectrum is I click on this and I watch all my favorite channels. Got locals there, movies, sports, news, lifestyle, family, and then premiums. That's the one I watch. My wife watches a lot. But if it's me, I usually put it on favorites, have all my sports, movies, news, and so forth there. So click on that. And then you can just scroll down and click OK on whatever channel you want to watch. And also, if I click on the rewind button on your streaming section of your Roku, you can scroll faster. The forward moves it one way, the rewind moves it another way. You can use that way. Click the back button here to get to the regular viewing here. And if I click on the rewind button, it takes you to the previous channel, which I believe was the tennis channel. Click on the rewind button and it goes back. Now it used to be that to access the guide you have to go to the left, click the arrow navigation to the left. Now you notice press right for mini guide. The middle of the screen there on the left side. Press right for mini guide. Now that changed just today because that was not like that last night. And I'm watching Spectrum app here. We subscribe to Spectrum. So if I go to the right, so here I have the full guide here. So I had to click the right navigation button twice. Now I'm going to do this with Roku Live TV guide, but just to remind you, I did a video on this, and I don't remember whether it's any different here. They did change it a little bit, but if I go over here, notice there I'm in the tennis channel right there. Notice on the left over here, it says press OK to unfavorite. So that's already in my favorites. Of course, this is my favorites list, so these are all favorites. But if I click on the OK button, the tennis channel will no longer be in my favorites. So notice again, now it says press OK to add favorite. So I'm going to click it. I want it on my favorites, so I'm going to click OK. Now it says press OK to unfavorite, so you know which ones are your favorites. Anyway, that's the way you create the favorites on your Spectrum app. Click on the back button. So again, when you want to go to filters, you see it there. Hold the OK button. It's a bit different than it was yesterday. So I pick the OK button. Got to hold it, not just click it. Okay, there it is. And like I said, here you can change your channel number. I'll go from channel number to network name and so forth. Here I'm using the number, and then you can click on this one to go to recent channels that you visited. Like I said, movies, you got sports, news, lifestyle, so on, premiums. And if I click on recent channels, it shows you the most recent channels that I've been on. I click on the back button there, click it again. Clicked it too many times, so I'll go back. So there, here, of course, I have the guide. You can get the guide this way. And so like I said, it's easy to add favorites, just again, all the way to the left here. And then you can just scroll down and favorite any channel you want or unfavorite the channel. My library, that's the one that you can create on-demand viewing content. I won't go over that now. On-demand, of course, is obvious. And of course, you have the searcher up there where you can just search for on-demand. And then the only other thing that I want to go over again, this is probably still the same, but just in case, go to settings. Notice I'm here, go all the way down, lower corner there, settings. Click OK on that. You can clear your watch list here, clear viewing history and bookmarks, and then your startup channel is on. So if I want to manage it here, right now I have it on the game show channel. Okay, so there you have your categories for your list of channels, I should say. You can scroll down and select the one you want. See, right now I have it on the game show channel. I can select this one here, and notice there's no more dot on the game show channel. When you click on the Spectrum app, once you've powered on, it'll go to the game show channel. So that's the one I'm going to leave it on for now, so I'm going to put it there. So a few changes on the look, I should say, of the Spectrum app once you click on it. Basically the guide. But as far as creating the favorites, managing the startup channel, using the rewind button to access previous channel, those are still intact. I'm going to follow up next time with a similar thing, but I'll be doing Roku live TV guide, streaming guide next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.